Welcome. For your last part of your Caribou Coffee project, you're actually going to be creating a gift certificate from a template. So since we only did this once, I wanted to walk you through just the first couple of steps and then let you take it from there. So once you open up Publisher, what we're going to do is go ahead and click on the area here for searching, and we're going to search for our template. We're looking for a gift certificate, and we hit enter. We're going to see all sorts of different options available. Now, some of these are going to be set for, like here, gift coupons, holiday coupons, and I know that there are some in Microsoft Word, but we want to actually stick to one of the certificates that we see here. Now, if you don't like any of these, one of the other options is you could just click on certificate, and we could just look up certificate instead of gift certificate. Now, this might be like an award certificate or something else, but this would be easy to change too. So if you don't like the snowman, which is one of the only choices, then hopefully this can get you in there. So then if we find the one that we like this style, and then we click create, that's going to open it up. Now, this just is the template. So this doesn't talk about the requirements for the project. Now, these colors actually match the Caribou Coffee theme, but what we would want to do is replace World's Best Name Title with free coffee for 1 year, which is our prize. And then we're going to leave a line. So this certificate is awarded to, and we don't know a name. So what I'm going to use instead is I'm going to holding shift and then the minus key. And then instead of recognition of for 1 year of free coffee. But you know what? That shouldn't be down there either. So we can just put even recipient name so we know what line that is. And then for signature, you're going to change that. And then a couple of other changes too. So if we look at the requirements, we used a template. Make sure you include the logo. The signature box should be for the general manager. That's the store person that will be signing. So if we see signature here, then what I should be able to do is just go in and change. Now, because this is part of my document, it should let me click and change it, but it's not letting me select it now. I don't know if it's because I'm in a recording software as well, but you should be able to change it. If not, then you can just insert a new text box, and you can even cover that old one up. So if I drew one on top and typed in general manager signature, now I would probably want to increase my font, and I'm also going to change the fill color of the box, shape fill, and instead of any of that, we're going to do just a plain white. So then that way we can't see the text that's behind it. Right now I can still see the text that's behind it. So shape fill, I think that's white right there. I'm going to click more just to be able to find it. There we go. And then we should be able to click OK. Now that's not white, that was gray. But you see that you won't see the text behind it. So we want to make sure that it says general manager signature in there as well. Other things you're going to add, make sure the colors match. So mine were good, but it wants to be kind of that teal or blue color along with black or brown. And then use an address. So this address should be the same address you use for your one-page flyer. You're also going to include places for phone number, fax, website, and email address. So this is contact information. So it could be something like adding a text box in where we say questions, call us at, and then you put in the phone number, fax us at, and you put in the fax address or the fax phone number, which should be the same thing. It looks just like a phone number. It's just maybe 1 digit different. So make it look like a phone number, just not the same as call us. And then we can move that over and figure out where to add that. So for your template, you're going to have to move some stuff around. Maybe you don't want this down here. Maybe you want it left aligned to have the title across. So you're more than welcome to move and shift to make it fit. But this should be for 1 free year of coffee. Anything that you don't need, these placeholders that you don't need, take them off. And make sure that you include the other options here. And if you scroll to the bottom of the assignment, you're going to see that rubric as well. Good luck. There are no examples for this one because we already saw that it's a template. So all you're doing is customizing the template. Good luck.